Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to update Instagram on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. Keeping Instagram updated ensures you always have the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements, so it's definitely something worth doing regularly. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the app where you can download and update all the applications installed on your phone. You'll recognize it by its colorful triangle icon. Once you've opened the Play Store, go to the top of the screen and tap on the search bar. In the search bar, type Instagram. As you type, you'll probably see suggestions pop up underneath, and Instagram should appear quickly. Go ahead and tap on Instagram to open its app page. Now you are on the Instagram app page in the Play Store. Here you'll see different options depending on whether or not there's a new version available. If your Instagram app is already up to date, the button will only show open. That means you don't need to do anything else. But if your app is not updated, you will notice the button says Update. To update Instagram, simply tap the Update button. Once you do, the download will begin, and your device will automatically install the newest version. This usually only takes a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. While this is happening, you don't need to close the store. Just wait for the process to finish. After the installation is complete, the Update button will change to Open. At this point, your Instagram is updated to the latest version, and you're ready to use all the new features. Just tap Open, and you can go right into Instagram and start exploring. That's all it takes. Updating Instagram on Android is quick, easy, and make sure you're getting the best experience the app has to offer. Thanks for watching.